Spring, summer, and fall-winter are the main collections for most ready-to-wear brands, but the cruise collections are designed in order to keep up with the insatiable demand of customers who always want something new. The main collections are designed to be the bulk of a year's new wardrobe, but the cruise collections cater more to an impulse buy, something specific for an upcoming holiday, or to purchase something when you've spent enough time at the pool and are looking to kill some time. In the past years, the runway shows for cruise collections have been getting increasingly more extravagant. A big part of this is trying to entice the attendees to show up outside of the normal period of Fashion Week, but also since the collections are more basic, the location makes it a bigger draw. It is also an opportunity to invite the VIP clients to attend the shows when they are not taking a seat away from an editor or fashion buyer. The vacation spirit of the cruise collections lends itself to the more fantastical locations, something that is logistically impossible during the month of shows. Editors and buyers have a hard enough time making it to every show that they are invited to during a busy fashion week, and that would be impossible if they had to fly to another destination in the midst of the chaos. With this extravagance comes a hefty price tag. Not only are the brands paying for the venues and all of the production costs associated, but also to fly out all of the attendees from across the world out for the show. Since we are talking about figures in the millions of euros, one can only imagine how much profit these resort collections bring to the brand in order to make the cruise shows a worthwhile investment. The biggest players in these over-the-top cruise collections are Chanel and Louis Vuitton, but the differences in their approach are part of their storytelling process. Louis Vuitton loves to reference its history as a luxury trunk company that catered to the emerging bourgeoisie as travel to new lands became possible. The main collections often take direct inspirations from different global destinations, but beyond the sourcing of certain fabrics and shooting the campaigns there, the cruise collections fortify the message that Louis Vuitton means luxury vacation. From the mountains of Japan to the beaches of Brazil, Louis Vuitton cruise collections are designed for a client whose passport is full of stamps. Chanel, on the other hand, has less of an association with travel and more of a tradition of French haute couture. The brand itself is more conservative than Louis Vuitton, and their choices of venue reflects that. Outside of the spectacles in Paris, they have shown their cruise collections in the south of France and at the Palace of Versailles. Even when they have their resort collection in Havana, it is clear to see that the vision is very, very French. Now that fashion shows reach a greater audience through social media, we are sure to see even more outrageous cruise collection spectacles in the future.